Welcome to Teams. You're going to be using this platform while you're in Japan to share your experiences and to stay in touch with Taiko. You can find Teams from the waffle menu in your student email. It's a great idea to also download the app to your device, and I've placed a link to where you can do this in the description for this video. Let's take a look at this purple menu first. This bell icon is the activity feed for all your teams. It shows you everything that has happened since you last looked in. When there is a red dot here, it means there are messages or responses waiting for you. Teams also notifies you with pop-up banners in the corner of your screen, and it will eventually send you an email to your Outlook inbox as well. To control notifications, click into your profile picture at the top here, and then click on Settings and Notifications. If you can't find a conversation you've had, try filtering your activity feed to find messages from a particular person. Or you can search Teams using the bar at the top. Click into Chat when you want to have a personal conversation with just one or a few people. To start a chat, just click on the pencil icon here at the top, then type in the names of the people you want to chat to. If you've chatted with them before, all your chat history will come up. You can name a chat to make it easier to find in your list, and you can also pin it at the top of the list. If you feel like having a face-to-face chat, just click on the video icon to video conference with your friends. This Teams icon is where you can find all your teams. I'm in Taiko's team right now, but I have others, as you can see when I click here on All Teams. When you're in the team, you have different channels where you can communicate on different topics. You can see that when I click in a different channel, the conversation changes. If a channel name is bold, it means there is something new to check out since you last clicked into that channel. When you respond in a channel, everyone in the team can read it, so remember to save private communications for chat. Notice that there are a number of tabs across the top of each channel. Conversation is always your landing page in any channel. Files is where you can find anything that has been directly uploaded to the channel, such as images or Word documents. This Class Notebook tab is important. It's where you will find the learning activities that Taiko has prepared for you. Click on this little purple arrow to see the pages in the OneNote Class Notebook. And be aware that you can open this Class Notebook in a web browser or in the OneNote app if you have it installed. Make sure you take a look at the other team site tabs before you go. If you want to respond to a conversation in Teams, make sure you hit reply. Typing in this box starts a new conversation. If a conversation has important information that you might want later, you can save it by clicking into these three dots. You can find your saved conversations by clicking into your profile picture. If you want to get someone's attention in Teams, you @mention them. Just type an @ symbol, then start typing their name and select it when it comes up. If you feel like you're having any trouble using Teams or if you have a question about it, you're welcome to @mention me. Just type in @Christy and my name will come straight up. Conversations in channels work best when people feel encouraged to respond and share. One way you can do this is by using likes and emojis to support others' posts. When responding to a conversation, you can attach a file or an image, or have some fun with GIFs, stickers, and memes.